I've been making moves like a ninja. I could play it cool like I'm winter. I can make it rain like a cash tsunami. Wanna slip and slide, we can link up.
Jumping straight into the video, so we're starting off with brows. I'm just putting some translucent powder on my brows and then brushing it out as spoolie, and I'm going in with my, it's just a regular brown pencil, a brown coal pencil that I bought from the store, and I'm just carving up my brows, filling it in, and yeah. So afterwards I cleaned it up with some concealer. I think I used the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Pure Beige to do that, and then I'm buffing everything out. So now I'm going in with my P. Louise base in rumor number 3, because you know we gotta have that base before we apply our eyeshadow, right? So I'm just making sure everything is blended smoothly. Now taking my Jaclyn Hill times Morphe palette, and I'm using that green with a blue shoe, I think, kind of shade. I don't know the name of it because that I threw it away. So yeah, I'm putting it from my outer corner and I'm blending it right into my crease. Taking some translucent powder. I'm taking some translucent powder and putting it on my my brow bone transition area, because I don't want any more like, I don't know how to explain it, but I wanted that slip so that I can blend everything out. So now I'm taking a brown shade from the palette and I'm just going in my transition color, because I am trying to blend this the green out. So yeah, I'm using a fluffy brush to do this. This takes some time to do because yeah, we blended, right? So you're blending. So now I'm going, that's the brown shade that I use. So now I'm going to go in with that yellow shade. I think that one is called creamsicle. I think, don't quote me on this. So I'm taking that and I'm going above the brown that I placed. All right. That's the one right there. So we got to go back, because while blending we lose some of the intensity of the colors. So now, yeah. So we're going back in with each color, and I wanted some more depth, so I like dabbed into the black because I didn't want it to be too overpowering. So that's all I did. So I'm going back in with the brown shade, and I'm making sure that everything is well blended, all right, because we want that graduation from light to dark. And of course we're going back in with the third shade, and we're just making sure that transition, from light to dark or from dark to light. All right. So yeah, that's what's happening here. So now I'm taking some good old Vaseline and I'm just carving out my crease. I never wanted it to be too high or too low. I just wanted it a smidget above the fold of my natural crease, because I didn't want it to transfer, and I just wiped all that with some cotton swab. So now going back in with the P. Louise base and whatever that's remaining, and I'm just putting that down for my base for my other eyeshadows. All right. You can take your time while doing this, because we already did the hard part, which is to carve it out with the Vaseline. And yeah, so now we're just buffing it out because we want a nice even smooth base. Going back in with the same green, and I'm putting it on the outer edge, because when we do this we don't want any separations in between colors. All right, so that's why we're doing this. So now I'm gonna go in with my Monarch palette, and I'm using that burgundy shade. I wasn't really feeling this burgundy shade, so I mixed that shade with another burgundy color inside of my Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm sorry I did not show it. So yeah, going in with that orange because I wanted like a sunset kind of vibe. I don't know. I don't know what I was going for. Listen, I do not plan nothing. I don't plan my looks or anything. I just wing it and go with the flow. So now I'm taking a bone color from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I put it in like inner half, because as you can see, I didn't distribute the colors evenly. All right, so yeah, I'm going in with my gel liner, and I'm putting that on my waterline. Then I'm gonna smoke out my lash line with the orange from the palette, from the Monarch palette, and then the green from the Jaclyn Hill palette. All right, I'm just using a small definer brush for this, and I'm connecting it to my outer edge. So this is the finished look. Everything else was done off camera. My lips, I think, is from Jordana or listen, it's a brown lippy. Any brown lippy will do. So yeah, I love this look. I love the green. Look at the transition. Everything was tied in together. Mwah, chef's kiss. Thank you guys so much for staying tuned to the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Follow me on all my socials. Until next time, bye beauties.